Greetings, learners! We have 2 weeks left. Can you believe it? I know that this class has moved so fast, and a lot of times it seemed insurmountable, but you guys have hung in there, and I'm so proud of you. So for week 7, we are working with the Constitution. This is a new requirement by the state that in educational studies that there be a Constitution component. So we have a couple assignments with the Constitution and government, and then an economics lesson sketch. There's also week 7 reading and meeting with your group this week. So let's take a deep dive into these. So for the annotated Constitution, what you're going to do is 2 things. This is a 2-part assignment. The first part is to look up answers about the Constitution. So you're going to open the Google Doc and it's going to ask you questions about the Constitution. What's the term limit in the Senate? How is the president impeached, etc. And then you're going to go to this website, C-SPAN Constitution Clips, and you're going to watch at least 5 of the videos, and you're going to go back to the Constitution where you answer the questions and align them. So let's say you watch a video about impeachment, you'll go back to the Constitution questions where it talks about impeachment, you'll highlight it, comment, and say, I watched a video that talked about this. And so that's the first assignment. It does take a pretty substantial amount of time, so make sure you give yourself enough time to do this assignment. All right, so here we are in Blackboard. These are the directions for the annotated Constitution, and you're going to make a copy of this Google Doc and then answer the questions. And then when you open up this link, this is the Constitution, and everywhere that there is a blue set of words, that is a video. So I like to explain to my students that our videos are our primary sources for government. Okay, so these are videos of current politicians, experts in the field talking about these topics. So you would pick one of the videos, you would watch it, and then in the Google Doc you'll highlight, so this is on the census, so you would highlight the census, and then you'd insert a comment and you'd say, I watched a video with Representative Judy Chu where she talked about X, Y, and Z. So there's 2 parts to that assignment. The second assignment for week 7 is to sign up on an educational website called iCivics as a teacher, because you are preparing to be a teacher. Then you're going to review the lessons at any grade level that's interesting to you, download one of the lessons, look through it, and then you'll write in the right submission box, I reviewed this lesson on 3 branches of government, or whatever your lesson is, and this is how I would use it. There's a lot of really great resources. What's kind of cool about iCivics is that it's supported by several Supreme Court justices. So not financially, but they are consultants on it. So it's a very good educational tool for teaching government, which sometimes can be hard to teach because often it seems biased, but iCivics is very straightforward and just these are the rules, and it has good activities for helping students understand government. The third task is your week 7 reading. So this is chapter 11, all of it, and then part of chapter 12, and then discuss on your Slack group, just like you've been doing every week. So that's pretty straightforward. And then the final is a lesson sketch. So just like you did a lesson sketch previously, but this one is about economics. So how could you teach an economics lesson? And I've given you a folder of different ideas. So let's look in Blackboard. So here we're in Blackboard. So these are different places you can look at for teaching economics at different grade levels. And some are using literature, some are using stores and things like that. But there's some ideas. Remember that you cannot use teachers pay teachers. Using teachers pay teachers is considered plagiarism, so please do not do it. This is the link to make a copy of the lesson sketch, which is just part of the full educational studies lesson plan. And there's an example here as well. All right, that's it for week 7. I hope you guys have an excellent week, and I will send you an email when I've updated the grades, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye guys, take care.